What is another name for méthode ancestrale? Is that méthode traditionnelle, pétillant naturel, charmant méthode, or méthode naturelle? So our méthode ancestrale.
Okay, a lot of people locking in their answers here for pet nat as their answer.
Excellent.
Pretty overwhelmingly.
Well, the answer, excellent. Well done, y'all. It is indeed pétillant naturel. So for all you pet nat lovers out there, true or false, a pet nat will always have sediment in the bottle. True or false? If you're not familiar with this method of production, we put our almost done fermenting wine in a bottle and we put a cap on it, and the fermentation finishes in that pressure in that bottle, and we get a lovely little sparkling wine from that. Will it always have sediment in the bottle, little yeast sediment?
Okay, here we are, trues and falses. So pretty equal. Yep.
All right. False. You may not see this that much. Pet nats are big in vogue, but it is absolutely the case that some pet nats can be decanted off of their deposit and then rebottled in kind of a transfer method. Personally, these are the pet nats that I love because they don't get that extra funkiness to them. They're a little bit cleaner, so not pet nasty, as we say. All right. I'm going to go domestic now for the last few questions. What Mexico's growing environment allows for production of outstanding sparkling wine? Is it chalky soils, cloudy days, a large diurnal shift, or humid mornings? How do we make excellent sparkling wine in New Mexico, in the desert, really?
Okay, we're going to give you a couple of more. Here they come. They start rolling in here. Okay, so 3 answers so far. 4, 5, 6 are all diurnal shift related. In fact, so far all the answers say diurnal.
Excellent. Well, it helps that we're in the desert, so the soils are not chalky, they're sandy, right? It's the desert, it's not cloudy, and there's not humidity. So good job for y'all that got that right.